We're here talking about hand blenders, okay? And this one is a fantastic home blender. It's small in size, but very, very powerful, 220 watts, okay? It's very simple, okay? A simple on, off, on, off. Very, very simple. This one is a relative of the same one, also 220 watts, but this one has variable speed. So you can vary the speed from slow to faster to maximum speed. All right, variable speed, and I'll show you that. Okay, let's do it. Do this. Okay, and let's change our speed to slow. Up to very, very fast. These are 350 watt hand blenders with a couple more features. The first feature on this one that's much different than both of these is an actual lock. You can use this to hold the power on, so you don't have to hold the button down all the time. But there is a safety feature with this. Okay, let's take a look at that again. Okay, we hold this down, push the power. If we want to lock it so we don't have to hold the button in, we push the lock and hold it down. As you can see. Look, Ma, no hands. Okay. All right, so let's take a look very quickly at its more capable brother. Okay. This one is exactly the same with the safety feature here, on and lock, the same thing, but this one has variable speed. Just like its little brothers, it has variable speed. This one is also very similar to the last one, okay? We have our variable speed here, from slow to fast, okay? We have our safety, then our on, okay? And then we also have our lock, okay? Okay, let me show you how that works. Okay, you ready? On, lock, and that gives me a free hand to slow the speed to a slow speed to a higher speed. We press down to turn it on and lock. And then all we have to do to turn it off is press the switch. And we're done. Excellent.